Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Finding the production quantity for Hansel's hot sauce is easy if you know the trick. Let's break down these cost figures and solve it fast. First, we need the total fixed cost. Look at the table where production is 0. Since the total cost is $15 there, that entire amount must be our fixed cost. Next, we use the average fixed cost formula. We know the average fixed cost is $5 per case. We simply divide our total fixed cost by this average cost value. 15 divided by 5 gives us exactly 3 cases. That makes option C our final winner. You just crushed this microeconomics problem with ease. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps.